you some fried chicken. This is Tiona's fried chicken. This, guys, will be the best fried chicken around town. And I'm going to show you my secret ingredients. This is my blended seasoning. It has onion, pimento, garlic, scallion, and all of that blend together and marinate with little vinegar. So this is my yummy chicken, and to start off I'm gonna add some paprika, about a tablespoon. I have some meat seasoning. I'm gonna add a little. I also have some all-purpose seasoning. Add a little to that. Next, I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Although I have garlic in here, I'm just gonna add a little garlic powder to it too. I also have some black pepper. And that's all you need. Now come to my secret ingredient. And I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons. You want the juice and all. Just go ahead and wash your hand properly. And you want to combine all of this together. Ooh, look at that, guys. Tell me you don't want to try it already. And I don't even start to try it yet. So guys, this is it. All you need to do is to cover it, leave it for 2 hours, or overnight would be the best way. You get all the flavors soaked in it. The best fried chicken around town. I have some oil right there in my pot, and I have some flour, and I have 2 eggs. I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper and just a little bit more of garlic powder. Right here to my egg, I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And this is coconut oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil to this one. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. Just like that. And you wanna mix it together. This Diana sauce, they come in honey garlic, but this one is rib and chicken. So after it's fried, I'm gonna coat it all with this Diana sauce, and I'm gonna pop it in the oven for like 15 minutes. Now look at my chicken. Ooh, yummy and nice. So you want to just coat it in your mixture. Ooh. And then you put it in. So guys, this is how they're looking so far. They're ready to come out. Ooh. I'm gonna drain the excess oil off. So guys, this is my chicken. I'm only doing some for you now because it takes a long time to fry. And I have my Diana sauce here. You can use, this one is the rib and chicken. You can use the honey garlic. All you need to do, guys, is just to squeeze. You're gonna drench it in it. So this should do it, guys. You want to mix it on in. If you have a bowl, you can also shake it. Ooh, guys, smells so good. I'm just gonna pop this in the oven for 15 minutes, just everything to combine, and then I'm gonna show you the finished result. So my peeps, this is the end result of my fried chicken drenched in Diana sauce. Ooh, guys, it smells delicious, so yummy. I'm gonna dish some out and then I'm gonna show you my fried chicken drenched in that Diana barbecue sauce. So good. Up close and personal into Tiona's chicken. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I serve it up with some mango nectar. Ooh, so good. And 2 slices of watermelon with my Portuguese sweetbread. Please give it a try, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Up close and personal. Look at that juice. Tell me you don't want a piece, guys. Tell me you don't want a bite. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. So juicy, so yummy.